Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to teach you on how to turn on dark mode in iPhone. For that you need to go on your settings. If settings is already in your screen, that's okay. If you don't have the option settings, you can go at the app library, search settings. Now tap over there. Now there you can see various options. You need to go down a bit. There you can see the option display and brightness. You need to tap over there. Now we are in the option light. To turn on dark mode, all you have to do is click on the option that says dark. Now after choosing the option, you can see that our iPhone is in dark mode and all the other displays will also be in the dark mode. This is the simple and easy steps to turn on dark mode in your iPhone. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe Guide Hub. Thank you.